Hello dear buyer who is watching this video now. Welcome to our shop Foshan MIC Medical Technology Co. Limited. Today we are going to talk about our main product. Let's take a look. 5-litre oxygen concentrator. This product has whole new suspension technology, oil-free compressor, stable oxygen generation, high definition LCD touchscreen, gesture sensing to turn on screen and wave to turn off. Voice prompt can be turned on or off, real-time display of oxygen concentration high up to 96%. Rotate to adjust oxygen flow 0.5 to 5 litre can adjustable. 1 button timer setting, 5 layers noise reduction technology, silent care for your family. MIC portable medical oxygen concentrator. Supply oxygen stably and is trustable. Thank you support. Wish you a happy life.